All right, guys. So this is like a take two for me. I have tried to do this before and it just didn't work out. My camera wasn't working. Anyway, so I am here today with an unboxing. Thank you so much to HPRT printer. They sent me this label printer. It is the T20 label printer, and I have been meaning to do this video, but our basement flooded, so all my craft stuff was kind of put away and a lot of stuff was damaged. Thank God I had a lot of stuff in plastic bins, so that stuff didn't get messed up. But nonetheless, we are here and I'm going to show you this amazing little printer. Again, it's a little label printer. It's the T20 label printer by HPRT. I will have all their information down in the description box below, so be sure to check them out, subscribe to their channel. And this is a good little printer. I love it. And again, this is my second go around trying to record this video, so here we go. I did already open up the box, and I'm going to show you how cute it is and how well it works. So this is the box. Nice sturdy box, good packaging and everything. I have not like taken it out, but I have used this printer before. And we will see what this one looks like. I've used their printers before, so definitely good quality. Over here, it's HPRT. And all right, so let's get it out of here. It is a nice compact little size. This box is amazing. It's nice and strong, sturdy, good quality there. So put that to the side. Oops, and it does come with your cord to charge it. It is a USB-C charger, so that's what I use on my phone. And then you get a cute little printer here. I love it. It's compact and it's so cute. So go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. First thing there. Oop, or not. Is it charged up or do I have to charge it? I might have to charge it, guys. What? Oh, there we go. All right. So there it goes. So you get the red light. It's red. I don't know why you can't see it. All right. So we're going to go ahead and look at the little instruction manual here. So it shows you what all the pieces are, what's included. And then it tells you that the red light is an error status, which is what it's on now, which I'm assuming is because it's either it's out of paper. Well, I haven't put the paper in. So then the white one means that it's on and going. All right, so loading the paper. All right, so we're going to open it up. And I don't know if you can tell. There we go. So it's red right now. So it comes with your paper. It has the little thing on here to hold it down. Let's take her off. And seems pretty self-explanatory there. Just throw it back in there. Maybe wind it up a little bit here. And then close it. All right. So now the light is white. So that's good to go. And then it does have the UPC, or like the, what's this called? The QR code. So I'm going to do this on my tablet because that's probably where I'll be, doing all the stuff. So what you do is you go to your camera and then you scan the, oops, come on. Where's my camera? Right here. Okay. Couldn't find my camera. My phone is in the way. The lighting is all weird, so it's not cooperating. Come on. Come back here. Hold on. There we go. I had to go into a different lighting. So I scan the QR code. Where is it at? And then the little link pops up and you click it. Let me put my tablet down here so you can kind of see. And then, so it pops up. It's called HerePrint. and you install. It's pretty user-friendly from what I can tell so far. But I love it. It's so compact and it's going to fit right perfectly on my desk. I'm going to clean up a little spot there, put it in there, and it'll be good to go. And I love that it's a USB-C because, again, I have a Samsung, and that's what we use for that one. So that's great. Then we're going to open it and connect the printer. And you're going to hit allow. We're doing this together, so see how easy it is, and hit connect there. It says printer connected. So then I'm going to click new label. Double click, and I haven't read the instructions, so we're winging it here, but it seems pretty simple. So I'm just going to hit test, and you can change the font size, you can change the font. Looks like you can change the alignment if you want to, where it's at on the label. I'm just gonna go with whatever the default was on there. I'm not gonna change anything, but you can. And then I'm gonna hit print. It's processing. Then it shows you how the label is gonna look. And again, if you don't want it like that, you can go back, change it, and put it where you want. Then I'm just gonna hit print and see. Ha, ta-da! And then you tear it, and you've got your label there. Easy peasy. Of course, like I said, you can change it up, you can make it bigger, you can change the font, and yeah, so that was really easy. So again, be sure to check them out in the description box. I'm going to be um, organizing and doing some stuff, so I will show you how I use these and how well they work. Again, this is just a test. I've not used them on anything, but I have used a friend of mine had a very similar HPRT printer, except theirs came out from the side, so this is a little bit of an upgrade because I like this one better. And the labels printed out really well, so check them out. Again, thank you so much again for sponsoring and collaborating with me. I hope you all enjoy it. Be sure to check them out. Everything will be in the description box down below. And that is it for today, guys. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.